Everyone, welcome back to StudyPlanet. In today's video, I will be explaining task 3 of the Tata Data Analytics Internship 2025, and where we will learn how to turn predictive insights into smart business decisions for Galdium's collection team. But before we get into the topic, let me take just 30 seconds to share something important. I have been uploading these internship videos to help you all, and I have noticed many of you are watching and learning. But when I checked the YouTube analytics, I saw something surprising. Most of the people watching my videos are not subscribed and getting watching time from not subscription, and a lot of viewers are watching the complete videos and but still not even clicking the like button. I totally understand, maybe you are just focused on learning, and that's great. But if you find this content useful even a little, please like and share, subscribe to my channel. It helps me a lot and keeps me motivating to share more content, and thank you. Now let's understand how we move from predictive insights to actionable business decisions. Let's begin. And in task 2, we are created a predictive model to find which customers are mostly like to be delinquent. That means who are missing payments. And now in task 3, we are not talking about code or accuracy. We are focusing on translating this model results into business decisions. The goal is to help Galdium's collection team take targeted actions based on data. We will prepare a short business report, recommended some strategies, and also discuss ethical AI like fairness and transparency. Now we will see what is task 3 about. In task 2, we already built a predictive model to find out which customers are likely to miss payments. That's called a risk prediction model. Now in task 3, our job is take those predictions called insights and turn them into business recommendations, clear actions the company can actually take, because just knowing the data is not enough. Companies want to know what to do with the data. And what you will do in this task is, first, we find the important patterns from the model called insights. Then we create a simple report to explain and who is at risk and why are they at risk and what action should the collection team take. And that young customers, we call them Gen Z customers, who use most of their credit and miss payments are more likely to not pay back on time. This is an important finding from the data. We call it an insight. We are finding this pattern: the young people are missing payments, and so we suggest giving them a 6-week financial help program to guide them and reduce the risk. And so we suggest starting a 6-week money management help program to support them and lower the chance of missing payments again. Now, making your recommendations count. And what does it mean? Imagine the situation: you found in your data that young customers are regularly missing payments and using too much credit and are likely to miss more payments. That's called an insight. We find this pattern. This is called an insight. And it's like discovering a warning sign. But now comes the real question. With this data, what you are going to do and how it helps to business. That's where your recommendation comes in, and you give them a clear and practical idea to fix the problem. And let's break it into 5 easy steps. And step 1, say the problem again and clearly. We found this group of people is likely missing payments again. And step 2, think of ideas. How can we solve the problem? What we can do to help them? If we send reminders to them and offer financial help or educate them about money or change policies, like that you have to think. And step 3, pick the best idea. Is it easy to do or will it work? Is it fair to everyone and can we afford it? Like, step 4, write the recommendation. Make it smart, specific, say clearly what to do, and measurable. Can we track results? And actionable. Is it possible to do or relevant? Does it match the problem? And time bound. Does it have a timeline? Example, send SMS reminders to at risk customers for 6 weeks to reduce late payments by 12%, like that. And step 5, explain why it's the best choice. Say it's low cost, easy to set up, or fair for all users, and it directly solves the problem we find in the data. This is Now we are talking about trending topic: how to present AI insights in a business friendly way. We already built a model that predicts customer risk, but now we must explain those results in a way that business leaders can understand and take an action on that. First, know your audience. Galadium's head of collections doesn't want to know how the model was trained. They care about which customer are at risk and what action to take and how this reduces losses. And so, avoid technical words and keep it simple. For example, instead of saying our model used logistic regression, say our model shows that missed payments and high credit use increase the Risk of default. Use clear visual like bar charts or tables to highlight trends, not complex dashboards. And always be ready to answer business concerns like, is the prediction fair and is it easy to implement, and what's the benefit if we act now. Finally, always end with action. Here's what we recommend and here's how it helps. Because in the end, good insight means nothing without smart actions. Let's talk about a very important topic, ethical AI and fair decision. AI tools can help in making smart decisions, but they can also cause problems if we are not careful. There are three main things we must check: base and explainability, and responsible decision making. What is meant by base? Sometimes AI treats some people unfairly. For example, if the training data is only from the rich city customers, the model may give wrong results for poor people or village people. So we should ask, is it working well for all types of customers or not? And explainability, we should be able to explain why the model give a certain result. Example, if we say a customer is high risk, we must explain why he is at high risk. And simple models are better when we need to show clear reasons. And reasonable decision making, even if the model is correct, we must ask, is this action fair? Will it hurt the customers or help them? Always choose actions that are helpful and kind. So remember, AI is powerful, but it must be fair, clear, and responsible. Based on all the concepts and slides discussed so far, there are three key questions provided as part of task 3. If you have watched this video carefully and understood the main ideas like insights and recommendations, base, explainability, and responsible AI, you will be able to answer those questions easily. In this video, I have also provided the answers to those three questions. Please watch till the end, compare your answers, and feel free to pause if needed. After answering, I will also show how I submitted task 3 step by step. Now we are moving into the main task of task 3, business report and data storytelling. In this part, we are turning the AI model's output into a useful business report. Actually, everything I already explained in the previous slides, the same concepts are used here too. So now I quickly explain each section in one line. Predictive insights. These are the patterns we found in the data, like which customers are mostly like to miss payments, and turning insights into actions. We take those patterns and convert them into helpful suggestions like starting a financial support program to the customers like that. And writing business recommendations, we write clear ideas that the business can follow based on those patterns. And structure of good recommendation, a good idea should be specific and useful and easy to act on. And steps to build a recommendation, restate the high insight and think of possible actions and evaluate them. Recommend the best one and explain why. Ethical AI use, always check if the model is fair and treat all the customers equally. And presenting to stakeholders, we explain our ideas clearly to non-technical teams so they can take the right action. Final report submission. Finally, we prepare a short report using all these points and submit it. Based on these concepts, first of all, we have to take the insights from task 1 and task 2. And I created my 2-page report using insights from task 1 and task 2, then saved it as a PDF. And I went to the portal and dragged the file from my system, uploaded it, and clicked submit. It showed we are uploading your submission, then finally submission completed and shows great work. I also uploaded my task 3 report to GitHub, and I will share the link in the video description so you can refer to my file as a sample this evening. If this video helped you even a little, please like, share and subscribe to StudyPlanet. And we are getting to close 100 subscribers, and every like and subscription really means a lot to me and motivates me to keep posting helpful content. And don't forget to check the description. I have added useful links and details there. And thank you so much for watching.